everyone. These are some letter sounds that I wanted you to see. You don't have to know them all immediately, but it's really good for you to have seen them because they are common in books. So SH makes a sh sound, like shh, don't make a sound. Shh. I didn't write it on there, but SHE is she. That's a really simple word that you'll see a lot that starts with SH. I have shake, SHAKE, and short as examples. SHORT. Shh. CH makes a ch sound. So SH was a sh sound, and CH is a ch, like chin, CHIN, chin. Child, CHILD, child. Choose, CHOOSE, choose. So OO sometimes makes a oo sound and sometimes makes a oo sound, like in these words. O, oo, or oo. It's the long O sound. So they've written it with two O's. LOOK, look, look. Ooh, look. Cool, COOL, cool. OA, when they're together, makes just an O sound. So this is goat, GOAT, goat. Goal, GOAL, goal. PH together makes an F sound, so a F sound. PH, so photo, PHOTO, or photograph. It starts with a PH. Phone, PHONE, phone. And then I just covered this in my last video. I'm going to put a link in the description. It'll be really helpful if you can follow these 3 or 4 videos in order, please. So go back and watch the others if you haven't seen them yet, because that will really help. So these are IT words, IGHT. So light, bright. There are many more that I cover in my last video. I thought these were going to be really difficult, but I also covered the word right in my previous video. So WR, the W is silent. This is the word right. So we don't say the W in the word right. WRITE, right. WRITE. And then this is the word wrote. WROTE, wrote. And this one I know is going to be tricky. I just wanted you to see it, not to necessarily know it by heart, but just to have seen it before. GN, the G is silent. This is the word gnome. GNOME, gnome. It's not pronounced gnome, a gnome, like in a garden. One of those little figurines in the garden with the hats is a gnome, GNOME. So these are some common sounds that you'll, or combinations of letters that make different sounds when you put them together. SH makes a sh. CH makes a ch. OO makes a oo or a oo. OA makes a o. No, O makes an O, like goat, goal. PH makes a f. I-G-H-T makes a ite. W-R, the W is silent. We don't say the W. G-N, the G is silent. We don't say the G when it's at the when the G-N is at the beginning of the word. G-N, the G is silent. That's it for today. Bye.